Hello everyone and welcome back to ForTechNet. Today I'm going to show you guys how to go live on Instagram. So the first step is pretty obvious. Open up Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, go to the home page by looking on the bottom left corner and you'll see a little home icon. Press that. Once you've pressed that, on the top left corner, you'll see a tiny camera icon. Press that. And it will navigate you to the camera. Now, once you're at this page, look in the bottom left and you'll see a live option. Right now, we're on the normal option. Just swipe left or press the live option and you'll see a white pinkish orange button on the bottom center of the frame. Press it. Checking connection. Oh, and there it is. You're now live. Now people are going to be notified, or your followers are going to be notified that you're live, and yeah, that's about it. You're sending live feed to every one of your followers. I hope this benefited you guys. If it did, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys have any other questions, comment and I'll get back to you guys. Hope you guys benefited from this video and have a good one. Peace.